Every second, 2.4 million emails are sent globally, but few senders know how to correctly write a professional email. In business, we don't think of ourselves as writers, yet we write the whole day, most of which is email. Effective email writing is a necessary skill to be successful and to maintain professional credibility. Vague or missing email subject lines ruin open rates. Typos and poor grammar turn away recipients. Worse yet, long, complex emails waste our readers' valuable time. This popular workshop dives deep into what gets your email read and replied to. Adopt the techniques in this workshop and you too will save up to 25% more time every day, simply by writing emails clearly and concisely. This workshop is especially suited to professionals wanting to write professional emails and save time by writing emails correctly. The key competencies addressed include attention to communication, written communication, persuasive communication, and thoroughness.